Hi guys, welcome back to Simply Neat. Today's video, I'm taking you guys into my bathroom and giving you some bathroom cleaning hacks, and we are only using vinegar today. Vinegar has been such a trending topic when it comes to cleaning, so I just wanted to hop on here and give you some hacks that you can use in your bathroom. So what you see me doing there is adding 3 caps full of vinegar and then adding water to the spray bottle, and I just used sink warm water. And then the second thing I did was take some vinegar, put it in a bowl, added some sink water, and then put it in the microwave for about 3 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my sink area first. You guys, around this faucet was pretty nasty. I know the camera's not showing it justice, but what I did was I just sprayed it down with the spray bottle and then let it sit for a few minutes, and it got all of that gunk off. I really didn't have to scrub it that much, and it definitely gave the faucet a shine as well. So I'll definitely show you the after. So here I just took the boiling hot water and poured it on there, and I just let it sit on there for about 5 to 10 minutes, and all you have to do is wipe it down, and it came right off. So there was no scrubbing. I didn't have to get like an SOS pad or anything like that. And I'm just using a microfiber cloth today, and with spraying the vinegar and wiping it off with the cloth, I didn't really have to scrub. Like, you literally just have to wipe it off afterwards. So this is a before of what it looked like, and after cleaning it, you can clearly tell that the ring around that drain there is a huge difference, and it definitely came off super quick. So I definitely recommend using vinegar to clean your sink. It definitely gives the faucet a shine along with the drain. So next we'll be moving to the toilet. Here is a before clip. The toilet was pretty disgusting, but I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like afterwards. So what I did was turn the water valve off, and then I flushed the toilet so it wouldn't be so much water in the toilet. And then I added the boiling vinegar water to the toilet bowl and let it sit for about 10 minutes. And then I also sprayed it as well and let that sit. And then after letting it sit, all I did was take a $1 toilet brush and just wiped it down. As you can see, I don't know if the camera's showing it justice, but it clearly came right off. And I'll show you an after clip of it as well. And so for the rest of the toilet, I pretty much did the same thing. I sprayed it down with the vinegar water spray bottle, and then I wiped it down with the paper towel. And you can clearly tell that it gave the toilet a shine, but also it cleaned it up super fast. So all I had to do was spray it down, let it sit for maybe a minute or two, and then wipe every down. The dust on the toilet came off fairly easy as well. And don't forget to clean the bottom of your toilet. Sometimes I forget that, but I always try to make sure to clean the bottom. That's where all the dust is collected, just from dirt being on the floor. I do want to mention, by the time I finished cleaning the toilet, I noticed that the vinegar smell was very strong. So I did put the window up. However, I did notice that once walking away after cleaning the bathroom and coming back to it, it does disappear very quickly. So you won't smell it for long. However, when you are cleaning the bathroom and you're in the bathroom, you will smell the vinegar. So here's the before one more time, and then guys, this is the after. I'm definitely living for this after. Didn't realize how well vinegar actually cleans the ring of your toilet bowl. I want you guys to let me know in the comments below if you notice this big transformation. The next thing we're going to go ahead and do is move on to cleaning my towel rack. So this is actually a cube organizer from Walmart, and I just didn't buy the bins with it. And well, I'm actually using the bins for a different purpose. So, but what we are doing is just folding our towels and putting them in each cube, and then also the hand towels and the bath towels as well. And we are loving this method. We also color coordinate them, so I do have colorful towels as well as neutral towels. So I try to make sure to color coordinate it, and I notice when I do that, it definitely looks more appealing to the eye. But I'm just going to wipe this down and reorganize this really quick. So if you are looking for a neat hack for your towels, this is definitely the way to go. I believe you can get like a cube organizer at Walmart for no more than like $25. So I just got the small one, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the shower. So here's the before of what the shower looked like. Of course, there's gunk all around it, nastiness, and it definitely has like watermarks and things like that, and the drain looks pretty disgusting as well. But we are going to go ahead and use this vinegar to see what it does. So what I did was I went ahead and sprayed it down for a few minutes, and then I'll also pour the boiling vinegar water on it as well, just to see if that would make a difference. So I did both, and I just let it sit for a few minutes, and then while that is sitting, I wanted to go ahead and actually clean the tub. And so one hack that I actually came up with during this video, when I was recording this video, was I actually took my mop and I used a mop head that I just purchased, and I just wet it with warm sink water, and then with the boiling water that's already boiling vinegar water that's already in the tub that was sitting on the drain, I actually used that to go ahead and clean the tub. Y'all, usually my back is hurting tremendously after cleaning out the tub, but this hack that I came up with at the last minute definitely helped tremendously. Like, my back wasn't hurting or anything. It cleaned it super well, and as you can see, it's definitely getting every spot with the way I did it. So if you have a mop like this and you have a clean mop head, or if you actually just want to wash the one that you normally use, you can do it like that as well. It's an easy way to clean your shower, affordable way to clean your shower, but also you're not hurting your back afterwards as well, and it doesn't become like such a tedious job. So the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do, since that vinegar has been sitting, I'm going to go ahead and wipe everything down. I'm sure you can go ahead and notice the shine as I'm wiping it down, but I'll show you a closer look as well.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me.
After I wipe this down, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the outside of the tub down as well, and then I'll show you the after.
Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it live. And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us on tonight.
So I just want to go ahead and show you guys the before, just to remind you of the gunk and the water spots and all that stuff, and show you guys the big transformation.
So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out. Your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up.
So here is the after. I want you guys to let me know in the comments below what you guys think. As you can see, it took off all the grime on the outside, as well as the drain ring as well. So I would definitely recommend using these hacks within your bathroom. It definitely made a difference. And then the perks of also using vinegar, of course, is a non-toxic product, and most of us already have it in our kitchen cabinet as well, so you don't have to worry about going out and purchasing anything. So the last thing I'm going to go ahead and do is mop the floor, and I just used plain water, so that I didn't use vinegar. I just used regular water for this. I want to thank you guys for watching this video today. I hope it gives you some bathroom cleaning hacks that you can use within your bathroom. Let me know in the comments below if you have used vinegar, or you planning to use vinegar now that you've watched this video. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.